Hi guys, I want to introduce you to an amazing YouTuber. Her name is Box Van Dee. Dee is an older lady, about my age, maybe a little older, and she lives in a converted box van. You need to check her out. It's Box Van Dee. She's very insightful, she's very humorous, and she's just no nonsense. But she really is showing a hidden side of America. And not a lot of people realize this, but working and volunteering with state parks, I see a lot of this. And I tell the people that I meet, men and women both, about YouTube and how they can start a channel and subsidize their income. But there are a lot of seniors out here who can't afford house payments or monthly rent and utilities and food. So a lot of them now, today, are going to live in RVs, vans, box vans that they convert into RVs, and some are actually living in their cars. And they have YouTube channels. So I encourage you to get to know these people. A lot of people have a stigmatism attached to people who camp or who live this way. But trust me, these are just the salt of the earth people. Dee is an amazing, amazing woman that, you know, I say we're both the same age, but I'm always, when I watch her videos, I say, I want to be Dee when I grow up. Because she is just awesome. You know, I've been married, most of you know this. I've been married several times, and I've been widowed several times. And I'm currently married, but I have constantly said, if anything happened to this marriage, if he passes away too, because that's the only way he's getting rid of me. He has to die to get out of this one. But I'm going to go before him. But if anything did happen and I was on my own, I would want to do exactly what these women are doing. They are seeing the United States. And there's a lot of places you can camp for free. And if you're camping with a group, then you're safe. And even if you're camping by yourself, you're most of the time going to be safe. I mean, when's the last time you heard of somebody getting shot camping on the side of the road or, you know, off the road somewhere? You're more likely to get shot in Publix than Tampa. So, yeah, you know, you're safe doing this. So if you've ever had the dream, follow Box Van Dee, and there's a lot of other women out here who are doing the same thing, and men. But watch their videos and see how they're living, see how they're doing it, and you will be shocked. I mean, for $30, you can buy your groceries at the Dollar Tree for a month. Well, $60 if you eat more than one meal a day, but I only eat once a day, so I can give that $30. I mean, there's just so much to learn from these people. And, you know, if nothing else, you will learn how to be a kind, decent human being, because every single one of them that I have watched and subscribed to seem to be. And I think Dee is the genuine article. She sells merchandise through Teespring to help subsidize her income too. And you all know I'm a huge coffee and tea fan. So I bought one of her little coffee cups. And they're not expensive, but she has all kinds of merchandise you can buy. And stickers. They all have stickers that, you know, a lot of the RVers will put other RVers stickers on the back of their RV, van, whatever they have. I buy mine and put them in my daily journals and then write a little excerpt about the people. Just, you know, in case sometime down the road I don't remember, you know, dementia is real. So I can, you know, I see their sticker and I say, oh yeah, I remember that. So yeah, well, I buy it mainly to help support them and, you know, to encourage them to keep doing and living their dream, because they are inspirational. Okay guys, check out Box Van Dee. And if you're seriously interested in wanting to live this kind of lifestyle, just search nomads or nomad camping, And you'd be shocked at how many thousands, probably more than that, there are on YouTube. But definitely, go check out Box Band Dee. Alright, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.